Hello, this is just a quick video on replacing the loader arm cylinder seals on a John Deere 250. This is an old machine, it's just been sandblasted and painted. But these cylinder seals here, in here, on how to get them out without the tools that they recommend, and it's quite easy. It does take a little bit of doing. Here's a cylinder I've actually already pulled apart. So, and this is the internal lock ring or snap ring that is on the John Deere loader arms. So this has actually got the new seals on, ready to go back together. And the the filler seal that John Deere supply is a plastic seal. It has a taper on one side, and it's in a very reduced taper on the other side. So I had that, and I actually broke that by installing it incorrectly the first time. So to try and, without buying another set or another ring, I didn't know if they can buy them separately. I just haven't asked. But here is a zip tie that I've made using a small bench grinder with a belt sander on it. So a bench grinder and belt sander, you can actually file or grind a small taper on it. I don't know if you can see that. But it's just a zip tie. It's about 6 millimeters wide, about 1.5 millimeters or 1 millimeter thick. And yeah, if you use it on the belt sander, you can actually grind or sand a taper onto the zip tie to put it into the groove that's inside here. So the you can see I've got the notched section, and I've made that to the outside and sanded this side of it, this side here, that one, and so it wraps around and sits inside the cylinder with the taper like in there like that. Wrap go and fits in. So so you make sure that you put the O-ring on here first before you take the external snap ring off. Make sure this surface here is clean and sanded back, free of all paint and everything. Then fit the O-ring, which is just a tool to put into here, and then knock this gland back inside the cylinder so you can see this groove. Fit your tool, your zip tie tool that sits in the recess, and then this here, the cylinder rod, can actually be pulled out, and the snap ring here doesn't go back into that groove and allows the whole gland to come out. So this is the second side. I've already got apart, new seals and everything's going back together, and this side has already been done.